So today we're going to look at an efficient way to format and manipulate lists, which is the unpacking operator, and it's represented by an asterisk. So let's dive into how this actually works. So first, let's look at combining lists. Instead of using a for loop or concatenation, which you can do, the unpacking operator makes this really simple. So here we can unpack all elements of two or more lists directly into a new list, as you can see in my output. And so the elements of both A and B are seamlessly combined just using that unpacking operator. And so now let's use it in a context where we want to separate the first element from the rest of the list. And this is extremely useful when dealing with scenarios like function arguments or splitting data. And so as you can see here, the rest variable grabs everything except the first element, making the unpacking operator a powerful tool for this scenario. So now I would see how this can help with formatting and passing arguments into functions. So let's say we have a list of arguments and we want to pass them into a function as separate arguments. Instead of manually passing each element, we can use the asterisk values to unpack your list and pass its elements directly as individual arguments to the function. So as you can see, the unpacking operator makes working with lists and edit rules really efficient, so look out for the next time you can use this.